Hi, hello viewers. Today we are going to see what is artificial intelligence and what are the things are happening in artificial intelligence and how we can learn AI and what are the tools are available to learn AI. So all this we are going to see today. Okay, now let's see what is artificial intelligence and data science. Within AI we have many different subtopics like machine learning, deep learning and natural language processing and computer vision. Machine learning is more into like data. Based on the historical data, you can predict the future. Deep learning and computer vision is more into like image analytics and video analytics. Say for example, if some video is playing in that some human is coming, it will detect like person is like a male or a female and what is the age of the person. So those kind of things we can do using deep learning algorithms. NLP is like more into like text to speech conversion and speech to text conversion and for sentiment analysis. So in those areas under NLP is used. Even chatbot also developed using NLP. Where and all this technology used nowadays means it is used e-commerce, retail, healthcare, and entertainment and gaming also. In gaming, lot of new gamings and all developed using AI and virtual reality. Thank you. Now let's see what are the real-time usage of AI. If you see like all top companies like from Google to Facebook, YouTube, Amazon, LinkedIn, Apple, everyone is already using AI. I'll give you one example for each one. If you go and search in Google using voice search, whatever you speak, it will immediately tell you the response. So that is they're like they are using NLP. They are trying to convert your speech into text. They are searching in Google, then they are giving back that text information as a speech. So this is also one example for AI. Also if you go Amazon, if you select one particular model phone, then they will start recommending some other similar type of phone. So that is kind of product recommendation. So those kind of recommendation also happening through machine learning. And if you go YouTube, when you start searching one particular video, it will show a relevant video for the same content. So there and all there also AI is used. And also in Apple iPhone, you can see Apple Siri. There also they are doing text to speech conversion. So that is happening through NLP, natural language processing. In LinkedIn also like when you search for particular job, they will recommend a similar job for your skill set. That is happening through machine learning algorithm only. So that is comes under AI. In Facebook, when you upload your photo along with your friends, it will tag your name for your particular photo. And also it will tag all your friends name also. So that is happening through AI only. There they are using deep learning. So like this, all top companies they are already implemented a lot of models. Behind the scene, there are a lot of ML and deep learning model is running every day. That kind of features only customers are using in their particular product. Not only this, top companies nowadays, all companies they started exploring AI. They started doing some small kind of POC. If it is really working well, they are trying to convert that POC as a real-time project. Especially startups are like in Bangalore, New York and SFO, London, Toronto. Lot of AI based startups are nowadays working. They are trying to implement many features using machine learning, deep learning and NLP. If some startup is doing really very good, all the top companies are investing on those startups also. So AI is already started growing everywhere. So hopefully we can also start using in future. Thank you. Okay, so far we've seen like what is AI and what are the real-time usage of AI. Now let's see what are the languages and what are the tools we need to know to develop any AI model. Okay, first one is like Python. Python is like a language. We can use this particular Python language for machine learning and deep learning, NLP and computer vision. All these four category we can use Python. R is also like a language that we can use only for statistical model development. Then Anaconda is a kind of tool. It is having a combo of like different tools like Spider, Jupyter Notebook. These and all tools we can use to write our Python code and to build ML and DL and NLP models. PyCharm also is another Python editor that is also we can use along with the Spider. It's according to the user, which some people more comfortable with the Jupyter Notebook, some are comfortable with the Spider, some are comfortable with PyCharm. All three are Python editors. According to user wish, they can choose any one of this tool. We can see all these tools one by one in our upcoming video. Then Keras is a kind of a language people usually use for deep learning, and TensorFlow and PyTorch and all kind of framework that have a lot of libraries for deep learning. TensorFlow is developed by Google, and PyTorch it is like that is also kind of another framework for deep learning. So now we seen so far like what are the languages and tools. Regarding data, what kind of data we can use for a ML model. It can be data in CSV file if it is a less volume, or you can pull your data from your data warehouse like Oracle or SQL Server, or you can pull your data from data lake like Hadoop. There also we can pull, and you need to do convert your data from unstructured format to structural. Then you need to do feature engineering, then you need to train the model, then you need to validate the model, and you need to do the metrics for the model, then you need to do the deployment for the model. All these steps for developing the model we can see in our upcoming video. And other than data related like feature engineering, we can also do data visualization on the ML model data, that is like Tableau, ClickView, Power BI. This and all like business intelligence tool. Using that you can do visualization of your end output of your ML model. So far we understood like what are the languages and tools used for AI. In our upcoming video we'll see like how we can develop all those models one by one. Thank you.